Today I'm going to show you how we gained almost 3 times the storage underneath our kids' bunk bed with a fairly simple modification. Today we're going to be replacing the Jackknife sofa in our kids' room with a bed made from IKEA Furniture. Wait. Did you catch all that wasted space there? Soon you'll see how much storage we actually gained with this modification. Now that we've completed the removal of the Jackknife sofa and the drawers beneath it, we can begin the install of our IKEA furniture. Now that I've got the IKEA Trofast furniture installed, I'm going to build a ladder and some railings so the kids don't fall out of the bed. Making this modification took us from 5 cubic feet of storage to almost 15 cubic feet of storage. Plus, it also gave us a more comfortable bed for our daughter to sleep on, so she didn't have to sleep on that lumpy Jackknife sofa. You can see how much storage we gained using these IKEA Trofast pieces. We left the back 2 unfinished in case we ever wanted to change the visible color. We hope you enjoyed watching our video on how we modified our daughter's bunk bed to give us more storage, as well as give her a more comfortable sleeping surface. If you're interested in more of our content, please feel free to like and subscribe, or follow us on Facebook and Instagram.